What's up, dear people? Welcome to 27th Jan 2023's pre-open analysis. I had told you on 25th Jan there will be a lot of turbulence and sporadic moves. That's what happened, and that's almost about 226 points downwards. That is 1.25% down, though on that particular day there was a gap up in SGX Nifty. That being said, we will have to look at where Nifty will stand in supports and resistances for today, that is 27th Jan 2023. Where are the supports and resistances? Supports and resistances are like this: supports at 17,859 levels and 17,806 levels and 17,712 levels. Of course, all these are supports, and resistances are at 18,016, 18,061 and 18,121 levels. Those are the supports and resistances for 27th Jan 2023. We are about to see that there is a test of support. It is very eminent that Nifty has actually taken the support around the levels of 17,779 according to Fibonacci. However, 17,016 levels are the great supports for the market if this actually breaks. Okay, where are the global markets? How is it actually panning out? SGX Nifty is showing 61.5 points upwards. Now it is 58 points upwards. That's because SGX Nifty is actually following the route of global markets. S&P 500 was up by 1%, and Nasdaq was up by 2%, and Dow Jones was up by 0.6%, and all these are actually making the SGX Nifty go upwards in the northern territory. As of now, that SGX Nifty is showing that we may open, that is Nifty may open gap up in today's session. So let's see where the actual market actually happened to fall in the session of 25th. We can see this is a Nifty futures Jan chart, and Nifty futures Jan actually fell all the way from the highs to the lows after it actually scaled to this particular level, around this particular level at 18,165 levels. You can go and check it out. 18,165 is a big support which I had mentioned in the previous 25th Jan session, Nifty pre-open session. 18,165 levels are great resistance, and now it falls down all the way from here onwards, and the market actually went berserk after hitting this particular level. It started at the low pace and continuously fell all the way down. So this happens to be a Nifty Jan futures. So what will happen in Nifty February futures? Nifty February futures also shows that there is a great gap on the downer side. As of now, it has actually went all the way down. It is to check out the higher side. The Bollinger Band has expanded in order to accommodate the negatives in the session happening on the 25th Jan. That's because of the futures and options expiry. So on the day of futures and options expiry, either it will shoot up all the way, or it will have sporadic volatile moves, or it will have one-way down moves. So that's what happened, and we actually saw a great sell-off in Nifty futures, and that's what happened in Nifty as well. It actually fell all the way down. Okay, that's the Nifty analysis, Nifty technical analysis for today. If you have any questions with respect to technical analysis, click at the comment and just put in any technical analysis question. I will answer them all the way to the end from A to Z. That being said, I'll show you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, and you can check that simple strategy, a Fibonacci retracement crossover strategy, which makes about 78.6% great accurate returns on a daily basis. So check out this video and I will see you in this video.